While Medicare Parts A and B, also called Original Medicare, cover some healthcare costs, they don't pay for everything. That is where Medicare Supplements come in. A Medicare Supplement policy covers the out-of-pocket gaps in Original Medicare. That's why it's often known as Medigap. Each plan is offered by private insurers, has the same minimum set of benefits, and varies in premium cost. All Medicare Supplement plans provide these basic benefits. Part A coinsurance and hospital costs, up to an additional 365 days after Medicare benefits are used. Medicare Part B coinsurance or copayment. Cost of blood transfusions, first 3 pints. Part A hospice respite care coinsurance or copayment. Some plans may also provide additional benefits, including skilled nursing facility coinsurance or copayment. Part A deductible, $1,364 in 2019. Part B deductible, $185 in 2019. Part B excess charges. Foreign travel emergency, up to plan limits. Benefits and cost vary depending on the plan you choose. Premiums vary among insurance companies, but the benefits of each standard supplement plan are always the same. For instance, a Medicare Supplement Plan G policy offers the same benefits no matter which company you buy it from. The only difference is the price you pay.
MedicareFullest.com is a non-government resource for those who depend on Medicare, providing Medicare information in a simple and straightforward way. Connect with us on Facebook to stay up to date on Medicare supplement plans.